Hello, dear students and friends. So once again, another video to add something to your knowledge of English literature. And first question is there, all policy should be judged by the criterion of the greatest happiness of the greatest number. And who proclaimed so? That is a question. And we have options J.S. Mill, Thomas Carlyle, Matthew Arnold, Jeremy Bentham. So who proclaimed from these four writers? So once again, the statement, all policies should be judged by the criterion of the greatest happiness of the greatest number. So if you remember, you can identify, or I can show the answer. And it's D. Jeremy Bentham is the right answer. He proclaimed that all policy should be judged by the criterion of the greatest happiness of the greatest number. And the next question is there, which of the following novels has multiple narrators? So we have to identify the novel which has more than one narrator. And the options are Jane Eyre, Wuthering Heights, Vanity Fair, Barchester Towers. So the options are there, you have to identify. And if I identify, I will identify option number B. And it is Wuthering Heights. It has multiple narrators. It is a novel having more than one narrator in the story. Then the next question is there, in which of the following works does the character Old Father Time appear? So the character Old Father Time, that is appearing in which of the following works? So first one is there, Jude the Obscure, then the Mayor of Casterbridge, Test of the D'Urbervilles, then the Return of the Native. And the right answer is A, Jude the Obscure. In this particular work, we identify the character of Old Father Time. Sorry. Then next question is there, Tiresias appears in which of the following? Options are there, Journey of the Magi. It can be also pronounced as Magi, but we pronounce it as Magi, Journey of the Magi. Then the Hollow Man, the Love Songs of J. Alfred, Prufrock, then the Wasteland. So which can be the right answer, friends? We have to identify the right answer here. And the right answer is D, the Wasteland. Tiresias appears in the Wasteland. The next question is there, which of the following works is related to the Irish literary revival? And we have four options. The Bald Soprano is there, then Look Back in Anger, Caligula, then the Playboy of the Western World. Four options are there, and the right answer is D, the Playboy of the Western World. The question is, which of the following works is related to the Irish literary revival? So the Playboy of the Western World is related to this revival, Irish literary revival. Next question is there, which of the following novels has been described as a study in Oedipus Complex? So we have four different novels, and these four different novels, we have to identify one of them which has been described as a study in Oedipus Complex. So the Rainbow is there, the Plumed Serpent is there, Lady Chattel is lower than Sons and Lovers. The right answer is D, Sons and Lovers is the right answer, friends. This novel has been described as a study in Oedipus Complex. Then the next question is there, Virginia Woolf's A Room of One's Own is about whether it is about stream of consciousness, or whether it is about women's liberation, or whether it is about the art of fiction, and finally whether it is about the art of drama. So what can be the right answer? Virginia Woolf's A Room of One's Own is about women's liberation. Okay, it is feminine work, so it is about women liberation. Then next question is there. The bear and the squirrel are used as symbols in Look Back in Anger, Luther, the Inadmissible Evidence, or the Kitchen. And the right answer is Look Back in Anger. So once again, the bear and the squirrel are used as symbols in Look Back in Anger. Next question is there. Half a Life is a novel by which of the following writers or novelists, we can say? Carlyle, Phillips, V.S. Naipaul, or Martin Amis, or Shiva Naipaul. So identify the right answer, friends. Half a Life is a novel by V.S. Naipaul. Okay, this particular novel was written by V.S. Naipaul. Half a Life. Very interesting title. And next one is there. Identify the novel which does not deal with the partition of India. So one is not dealing with the partition of India, other three are dealing with the partition of India, or they are associated. Very tragic tragic partition happened at that time. So we have options. We have some novels. First one is there, Azadi, then Train to Pakistan, Shadowlines, and the Serpent and the Rope. So the answer is the Serpent and the Rope. It is not dealing with the partition of India. Other three, Azadi, Train to Pakistan, and Shadowlines, are dealing with, or they are associated with the partition of India. Next question we have peripeteia. Peripeteia, according to Aristotle, stands for. So what does it mean? What does it stand for? So it stands for whether it is for error of judgment, whether it is for reversal in heroes' fortunes, or whether it is for recognition, or whether it is for roundabout speech. So it stands for, according to Aristotle, reversal in heroes' fortunes. So peripeteia stands for reversal in heroes' fortunes. Then next question is there. Neander in Dryden's Essays of Dramatic Poesy speaks for. Four options we have: classical drama, modern drama, French neoclassical drama, British drama. So once again the question, Neander in Dryden's Essays of Dramatic Poesy speaks for British drama. Option number D is the correct option, friends, here. And next one is there. The term tension is associated with whom? So we have four different critics. First one is there, J.C. Ransom, John Crow Ransom, its full name, his full name. Then second is there, William Ampson, then Cleanth Brooks, and Alan Tate. So the term tension is associated with D, Alan Tate. Such questions puts us in some tension at some time in exam. So don't be in tension, don't be in confusion, just prepare and revise. The term tension is associated with Alan Tate. Let it be associated with Alan Tate only, not with us. Okay, let's move. So next question is there. A figure of speech is a figure of speech in which a part is used to describe the whole of something, or vice versa, is synecdoche or synderesis or simile or hyperbole. So options are there. We have to identify a figure of speech in which a part is used to describe a whole of something or vice versa? So the right answer is A, synecdoche. It is a figure of speech in which we can find a part which is used to describe the whole of something. Next question is the last question of this video. Identify the play in which the Potter's scene occurs. The Potter's scene. So this scene occurs whether it is occurring in the Twelfth Night, the Two Gentlemen of Verona, the Macbeth, or Coriolanus. So the right answer is C, Macbeth. In this particular play by Shakespeare, the Potter scene occurs. So that's it for today's video. These videos are including a lot of questions, friends. So don't forget to subscribe this channel if you really love these questions and if you really prepare regarding these exams of English literature. This video is a part of series of MCQs. Okay, and this video contains 15 questions. So I think total 135 questions are completed till now. You can subscribe to this channel to watch such videos, and you can also share with your friends because this channel is completely free for all, and all the materials, all the notes which are shown here on in this video. Okay, these are not in the in other form, but these are already shown here. You can take the screenshots also of these videos to have with you and to prepare afterwards. So that's all. Very soon we'll meet again with a new video with some new questions and with some new updates on UGC NET exam and other exams. Thank you so much. Thank you.